Ew. Oh.
Nasty.
Gosh darn it. Bill, you have to charge this guy for an injector reseal. He done blow through the O-rings.
Ow. I don't see that. Can't really see that.
It doesn't look that bad now that I wiped it off, actually. Maybe not. Not like it's boosted. Ow! Nasty.
Just leave it there if you want it off.
Trying to control how much coolant I'm getting on the ground here, and it's not really working for me.
God damn, I thought there was a giant piece of cardboard on there.
Yeah, that's what I need to put under here. I really hate coolant. I wish we could just like put gel inside of them. Cooling gel, just like a mattress.
Yeah, nice.
Are you hot when you sleep? Does your engine run too hot in the summer? Get this new memory cooling gel. And don't wet the bed. Get it? Wet.
Nice.
Bad.
I'm sure having a fucking goopy gel leaking out of the engine would make you much happier.
I think it would make me much happier. I've seen these Chinese neck coolant rings, and they freeze at like water, like air water temp.
Ah.
You feel this, like you just pour tap water over them and they freeze.
But is it cold if it freezes at that temperature?
Yeah. I'm telling you, dude, there's some shit people can do. There's technologies you don't even know about. Okay? The AI is going to tell us all about everything. Another thing, you can cool a whole engine with refrigerant. Really get her cooled down. I'm thinking about just leaving this industry and becoming an engineer.
There you go.
I mean, they're on the right side of it. They don't have to do this bullshit. They just design the f***ups on paper and then I'll fucking deal with it. It's the side you need to be on. Work smarter.
You have a lot of...
You know what's crazy? They get the easy job. They get paid way more money.
You have a lot of insider knowledge too from like, you know, just all the...
Yeah, I sure do, Gary.
A lot of experience.
Going on about 20 years. Isn't that crazy to think, like, when you're a kid, you just can't wait to be, like, 21 so you can drink and, like, be an adult.
Yeah.
And then, next thing you know, you've been working for 20 years and you fucking hate your life. I'm just kidding. I don't hate my life. But I fucking hate working. I don't even hate work. I hate not having more money.
I hate not having more free time. Like after work?
A little more money, a little more free time would go a long way in this world.
Like it'd be nice if it was an extra, like, you know, 3 or 4 hours in a day.
Shit, I'm pretty sure over there in Europe, they don't do fucking 40-hour weeks. I don't think.
Maybe someone from Europe can...
Pretty sure they only work like 3-day work weeks.
Let us know that in the comments.
Yeah, if anybody's got some inside, you know, any of our friends on the other side of the pond, tell us what we're doing wrong. I mean, we all know what we're doing wrong. Americans are greedy.
Yeah.
American greed. It's always been. They want more money, so everything costs more money. But for us little fish, we don't get any more money when things cost more money, so we just lose money. That's what's happening right now in this economy, Derek.
That is exactly what's happening.
I went from paying $7.99 for number 7 at Taco Bell within the last 3 years. Now I'm paying
12 or 13?
$13.
Yeah, 12 or 13.
Double the cost. I get paid the same.
Yep.
It's a problem.
Same thing with gas, groceries, everything.
That is the problem. Oh my god. Don't even get me started on groceries. And then for Christmas, I was asking these fucking shit tubes this long. Now, my dad called me a week ago. He's calling my dad because he runs a fucking extra right now.
Cook's short system, just about all wrapped up. What is this? Peach rings? I had
Yeah, but they're like
LP rings?
yeah,
I had
they're not real sugar. They're like 3 grams of sugar.
I
So
had,
you may think they taste weird, but
really?
yeah.
The consistency is kind of weird.
If you don't want to be fat, you eat shit like this, as opposed to the real ones that probably have 100 grams of sugar in it or whatever the hell it has in it. But
I had peach ring flavored water ice at Rita's. It was awesome. Probably my new favorite flavor there.
root beer gelati is just where it's at. Isn't there peach water ice in the freezer?
Mango.
Alright, 2016 Camaro. Got a full stage 3 package. So our full cam kit, 2-inch American Racing headers with cats, Rotofab air intake, and we did a CHE rocker arm like trunnion upgrade. Made 413 stocks. See what we got. That was a pretty good first pull. Air fuel's dead perfect at 12.5. Made 494, so we're up 80 horsepower so far. Where'd you guys go for lunch? What is it?
Hot dog place.
Oh. Ugh.
Never like hot dogs?
I despise fucking hot dogs.
Oh wait, you're the one that said to me something along the lines of if you saw all the stuff that goes into a hot dog.
Yeah. You know what's in a fucking hot dog? Why don't you guys just suck each other's dick for fucking lunch?
Something like that.
Yeah, I love sausage and stuff. Don't even compare sausage to a hot dog because they are on 2 global different ends of the spectrum. Like, not even in the same category. And I hope you don't think that they are.
Similar.
It's not similar. It's similar shape.
They are similar.
No, they're not. It's similar shape.
A bunch of like meat ground up into it.
It's not a bunch of meat, it's sausage. And I bet you a hot dog is like 3% actual meat. Other than that, it's like dicks, balls, eyes, assholes, feet, whatever, man. If you think that's a good lunch, then this dick, balls, asshole, and feet taste amazing. Put a little mustard on it, it'll make it better. Hot dogs are disgusting. Sorry, I despise hot dogs. And you should too. .503, 446. Forgot to change something that I wanted to. .505, 451. Probably one more pull. Then I'm gonna do trans. Then I'm gonna let it cool. let's see what the trans does. I'll do a 3, 4, 5. Shifted pretty good. All right, I'm gonna let this thing pull. We'll be back. All right, cold pull. And then I actually set up auto upshift in this, which I usually don't, but I just wanted to try it. So I set it up. I'm gonna try it right after this. $512, 454. And the auto upshift I think is going to work because it commanded it to shift right when I let off. I set up auto upshift on this, so I'm just going to test it. All right, let's see what this fucking auto up does. I'll do a 3, 4, 5. 65, 50 both times, so that's it. So this thing picked up 100. Picked up 100, which is pretty badass for a cam, headers, and an air intake. More than I probably would have guessed it would have made. I don't know what I would have guessed, but if I would have had to guess what this thing would have made, I probably would have said like 480 something. That thing made good power. Either way, that's sick. Later.